This video will outline how to change the chain case fluid on a Polaris 550 Indy. Ensure the vehicle is on a flat level surface. Set the parking brake. Clean the area around the fill plug. Tip: place a rag under the fill plug to catch any escaping fluid. Remove the fill plug and set aside. Place a drain pan underneath the chain case. Tip: place a rag in the bottom of the drain pan to prevent the splashing of fluid. Clean the area around the drain plug and remove. Allow the fluid to drain completely. Clean any dirt or debris from the fill and drain plugs. Inspect the O-rings on both plugs and replace if necessary. Reinstall the drain plug. Torque to specification. Fill the chain case through the fill plug hole until fluid reaches the bottom threads and begins to spill out. Wipe the fill area with a clean cloth. Reinstall the fill plug and torque to specification. Clean any residual fluid off the vehicle and dispose of the used fluid properly. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.